Raw materials arrive at the factory as machines begin preparing the production line for continuous processing. Workers carefully load bulk ingredients into the automated intake hoppers to start the production cycle. Massive stainless steel mixing vats blend the sugar and syrup base into a uniform, viscous liquid. Precision aeration systems inject air into the mixture, transforming the liquid into a light and stable foam. The marshmallow foam is extruded through calibrated nozzles, forming continuous ribbons onto a food-grade conveyor. Industrial cooling tunnels reduce the temperature of the foam, ensuring the marshmallows set to the correct consistency. High-speed industrial cutters oscillate with precision, slicing the ribbons into identical, pillowy segments. Each segment passes through a specialized dusting chamber where it is coated in starch to prevent stickiness. Advanced sensor-driven sorting systems detect and eject any pieces that fail to meet size or shape requirements. A rotating stainless steel drum provides the final finish to the marshmallows, ensuring a uniform dusting across all sides. High-speed automated machines package the marshmallows into branded bags, sealing them for freshness and shelf stability. Robotic arms utilize vacuum technology to lift and stack the finished bags into cardboard shipping cartons. Automated tape machines secure the shipping cartons, prepping them for transit to the warehouse storage area. A heavy-duty robotic palletizer builds secure, interlocking stacks of cartons ready for local and global transport. Automated guided vehicles navigate the factory floor, moving pallets from the packing area to the dispatch dock. Hydraulic loading docks allow for the swift and safe transfer of pallets into waiting logistics trucks. Control room operators monitor real-time production metrics, ensuring every parameter meets stringent company standards. Lab technicians perform regular quality audits, checking the elasticity and moisture levels of sample products. Maintenance crews adjust the extruder nozzles to prepare the line for a different, specialized marshmallow shape. Technicians verify the operational efficiency of the cooling tunnel fans to maintain optimal environmental conditions. The production line switches to a new batch, introducing food-grade dyes for a vibrant, colored product run. These vibrant marshmallow ribbons proceed through the cooling tunnel, emerging with crisp, defined edges. AI-powered vision systems analyze every piece of the colored batch, confirming color consistency and product integrity. New packaging film is loaded into the bagging machine, reflecting the vibrant design of the latest production run. The finished bags are boxed and palletized, moving through the facility toward the primary logistics center. Maintenance teams sanitize the factory infrastructure with high-pressure steam, upholding the highest food safety standards. Digital infrared sensors confirm that the cooling tunnel maintains the specific moisture levels needed for product quality. Automated systems measure bulk sugar levels, refilling the hoppers to ensure the production line never slows down. The afternoon shift seamlessly takes over, ensuring that marshmallow production continues at a constant, high-speed rate. Technicians inspect the marshmallow ribbon density, verifying that the aeration process remains consistent throughout the shift. Precision tools are used to swap out cutting blades, keeping the line sharp and ensuring clean, damage-free cuts. The automated starch dusting unit is calibrated to maintain a perfectly thin, non-sticky coating on all product batches. The packaging line accelerates to peak output, demonstrating the scale of mass production in the modern food industry. Smart label printers apply QR codes to every shipping carton, enabling full traceability through the global supply chain. The dispatch warehouse serves as the central hub where massive volumes of product are organized for worldwide shipment. Forklifts work in tandem to load finished pallets into climate-controlled shipping containers for secure transport. Delivery trucks depart the facility, carrying the day's production to regional hubs for retail market entry. As dusk falls, the factory continues to hum with activity, preparing for the next cycle of round-the-clock manufacturing. Retail customers select fresh, perfectly packaged marshmallows from the supermarket shelf, completing the global journey. The facility stands as a testament to industrial scale, operating around the clock to meet the world's demand for this classic treat.